Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to uninstall games from PC and laptop. So let's get right into the video. To uninstall games and PC or any other applications, you can just head over to your control panel, like searching like this, control panel, open it, and once you have opened it, you can see an option like under programs of uninstall a program. Then click on it. Then here you have to select uninstall a program, and that's right there. If you choose any of these softwares or applications, you just have to click on it, and there will be an option that appears on the top, that is uninstall. If you click on it, your application will be uninstalled from this PC or laptop, whatever you are using. And it's the same for the games that we usually use on PC or laptop. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. And stay tuned.